Welcome. In front of me is Huawei Nova 12i, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for whatever you want to capture, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Let's try that again. Okay, the case isn't helping, so I'm gonna just get rid of it. So, there we go. So once you can press both of the buttons at the same time, you can see that it pops or takes the screenshot. For some reason, taking it like this just brings much harder time. But anyway, so once you capture any of your screenshots, you can find them all in your gallery application. And they will be located in the album section right here, or in the photos if you have just captured them. Now, in album section, you'll find an album called screenshots, and obviously in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using the device. And here are the two that I have captured on the video. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.